In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about the feeling of being tired in English. The word tired is used when your body or mind needs rest. People may also say they feel sleepy, weary, or worn out to describe similar feelings. Each word shows a slightly different level of tiredness. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use them correctly in real conversations. Tired means you do not have much energy, or you need rest after physical, mental, or emotional activity. For example, you might feel tired after a long day at work or after studying for many hours. When someone looks tired, it usually means they did not get enough sleep or rest. Resting helps your body and mind recover from tiredness. There are many different ways to express the feeling of tiredness in English. The word sleepy means you want to go to sleep. Exhausted means very, very tired, often after hard work or effort. Weary means you feel tired because of effort, sadness, or stress. Worn out means completely drained of energy and unable to continue. Each word describes a different level of tiredness, and knowing them helps you sound more natural when speaking. Tiredness comes in different levels. When you say tired, it means you need rest, but not too much. Sleepy means you are ready to go to bed. Exhausted means extremely tired, often after doing something difficult or physical. Worn out means total exhaustion, when you have no energy left at all. Using these different words helps you describe exactly how tired you feel. Let us look at some examples that use the word tired. You can say, "I am tired after studying all night," to show that you need rest. Another example is, "She looks tired today," which means you can see she is lacking energy. You can also say, "They were very tired from the trip," or "We get tired if we do not rest." These sentences show how tired can fit naturally into daily English. There are some common expressions you can use with the word tired. Tired of means you do not like something anymore. For example, "I am tired of waiting." Sick and tired of means very fed up, as in she is sick and tired of the noise. Too tired to means you cannot do something because you are exhausted. For example, "He is too tired to continue working." You can also say get tired easily to describe someone who becomes tired quickly, like some people get tired easily when stressed. The word tired is very common in everyday English. People often use it in simple conversations to express how they feel. For example, someone might say, "You look tired," and the other person could reply, "Yes, I was up late studying." Another example is, "I am too tired to cook today," followed by, "Let us order and then." You might also hear, "Are you tired of your job?" with the answer, "A little, I need a vacation." These short dialogues show how naturally tired appears in daily speech. Here are some tips to sound more natural when you talk about feeling tired. You can use words like "so" or "really" to make your feelings stronger, such as "I am so tired today." You can add a reason by saying, "I am tired because I worked late." To sound polite, try saying, "I think I will rest. I am a bit tired." Remember that your tone and body language also help others understand how you feel. With these tips, you can easily express the feeling of tiredness in different ways.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.